what was in the book. I think I was in some ways, partly because I don't remember it all, because I was only 9. So some of the emotions that come through from it, I think I was either sheltered from or don't remember. Her positivity, I wouldn't say I was surprised because she's always been positive, but the way that her honesty about that and the way that comes through, I think whilst giving her true feelings about how hard it was and how hard the time was.
She started talking about the book that she'd written. This was the 30 Days Mary's Diary to start with. But as she was talking, I could see there's another book in here.
Yeah.
This is her story.
How big an impact do you think this story will have on people?
Oh, it's already having an impact before the books come out through her website and through her Facebook page. The number of people that have responded very positively to the book.
And I could see immediately there was something different about this book in the way that she was trying to communicate the story of the Nativity. And from then we managed to keep in touch through other books. And then when I started my own publishing company about a year ago and met Emily again, I said, Emily, you have to write your story. I was one of those people that said, Emily, you just got to do it, and you've got to do it soon. There's hope in her story for everyone who suffers in any way. It may be a disability, it may be people that are just going through a hard time in life generally. There's always hope, there's always things that you can do to help your own situation, and I think that's what Emily's book will do. It will inspire so many people in their own situations.
I did not do this all by myself at all. Each one of you, believe it or not, have helped me to open that door and to still be me. Even just by being here tonight, you've helped me to still be me. So thank you.